Hey, Fossil Ridge chemistry students. This is a short video to teach you how to use the CALM program that you'll be completing homework assignments on. So the first thing that you'll want to do is open a tab, and if you don't have a link from your teacher to get to CALM, this is a quick way to do it. Just go to Google, and type in CALM, Indiana. And that'll bring up the computer assisted learning method. You can click on this and you just have to go down the links here. So click on high school, you'll go to Colorado, and then you'll find our high school, Fossil Ridge High School. Once you get there, you're going to select Morehouse. No matter whose class you're in, you're going to select in Morehouse, and then you'll click on General Chemistry. So this link will take you to the login page. I would recommend you bookmark this link now by going up to the star in your browser if you're using Chrome, and just click on the star and link it from here. And that way you don't have to go down that rabbit hole anymore. You just click on the CALM link and you can get to this page every time. So now in order, your username is going to be your student ID. So I'm going to put in student ID here. And your password is going to be fossil, F-O-S-S-I-L, all lowercase. Push that. That's going to log you into the program. Now, once you're in here, you're going to see a few things. And first of all, you'll notice the menus are have little pluses and minuses, so you can expand them. So you can see here for topic 1, that's green, which means it's active. Yellow means it's not active, and it may also mean that it's already expired, meaning you can't, it's late, so you won't earn credit for those. Now, if I want to expand it, I can just press here, and you can see the different sections. I can expand any section that's available to me, and then I can click on any of these questions. So you can see right now, these questions are due on August 26th by the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. And so you'll just click on a question, question 1. Sometimes questions have some instructions, and then it'll take you to the actual question portion. You'll fill this in, and when you push it, it's going to either say good job and you're right, or it's going to tell you that you are wrong, and it may give you some feedback on that. So if you're wrong, you'll come back to the menu and you'll redo the question. The nice thing about CALM is you don't get penalized for getting the question wrong. You can do it as many times as you need to until you get the question correct. If you do get when you get a question correct, it's going to say good job and your ID, and then it will, in the menu here, it'll put a check mark in that box, meaning you've completed that question. The other nice thing about CALM is once you've completed a question, you can log out and log back in, and it saves that. So you do not have to complete all of the questions in one sitting. You could do a few questions one day and then come back and complete the rest of the questions another day. One thing I will mention, there are CALM questions that have multiple questions, so you'll answer one question and it'll take you to the next one, and sometimes you'll have to complete those a couple of times if you get those incorrect. So it's a good idea to keep a record and show your work of the questions that you're working on. Just jot things down so that you don't have to redo a problem if you do get part of it right but then get another part wrong. And the other thing I would say is if you do have any difficulties with the question and you're just certain that you're getting it right but it's giving you a hard time, contact your instructor. Occasionally there are some questions that end up getting broken, or for some reason there's just a formatting issue with the entry, and most of them work fine, but there are a handful throughout the year that you could have an issue with. If you have any other questions, contact your instructor and they will help you out. Have a great year in chemistry.